Hey y'all, so in this video I'm going to basically show you the first step of doing a nail set, which is prepping the nails. Prepping the nails is the most important part because it prevents any lifting or breakage. So as you can see right now, I have my cuticle pusher and I'm just taking that cuticle pusher and I'm pushing back my cuticles, scraping all of that skin off of my natural nail. Just scraping, 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 scraping. I really don't like this part because some people, if you go a long time without getting your nails done, it's kind of hard to push back that skin. So now I'm taking my drill and I'm using, I think, a 180 drill bit or drill grit. And I'm going ahead and removing the natural shine off my natural nail bed. I'm going to just do that to each nail. And like I said, you want to make sure you remove all of that shine from each nail. Like I said, prepping is the most important part, and it affects how long your nails actually last. So I'm just brushing away all of that dust. And I'm going to glue on my nail tips. These nail tips I think I got off Amazon. The tips that I usually use, they have like a kind of coffin shape already, or they come with they come as a coffin shape already. These I really don't use a lot, but let me use these for this video. And I like using a clear nail just because when I'm doing like freestyles, that is what this set is. I'm doing a freestyle. I really don't know what I'm going to do, if I'm going to do a clear nail or anything. So I like using clear nails just to keep my options open. And I usually place the glue on the nail tip. I know a lot of people do place it on the tip of the natural nail. I like to place the glue on the actual nail tip and then glue it to my nail. Okay, so now I have my nail tips on, and I only do 4 fingers when I'm doing sets for pictures or videos. So I have my nail tips on. I'm going to go ahead and cut the sides to my desired shape. I like kind of a straight down kind of shape, like a sharp kind of square shape. So that's the shape that I'm doing. And before I cut the sides to get the shape that I want, I actually will cut down the nail to my desired length. But I like my nails pretty long, so I'm not going to cut anything off. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and file the sides to get that sharp, straight down square shape that I want. I use a 180 grit. So I'm using the 180 side to file my sides of the nail. And to get that sharp shape, I usually start kind of where my natural nail bed is, and then I'll file down all the way down to the nail tip, and that gives you that kind of sharp shape that you want. Okay, I am done filing. Look at that shape. That is a bomb ass shape. And now I'm going to get my drill again. I'm going to go ahead and file down the tip. So where you glued the tip at, you'll go ahead and file that. Try to blend it in with your natural nail, so you'll have an easier or a smoother acrylic application. So go ahead and file that. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and apply my dehydrator. And this dehydrator, I think I got off of Amazon. I forgot what brand it is. You can really use, I think, alcohol too, or acetone. But I use this dehydrator. Another dehydrator I like using is Mia Secrets. It's a good dehydrator. Now I'm priming my nail. This is also a primer that I got off of Amazon. I usually use Young Nails, but for this video, I'm going to use a primer that I don't really care about because Young Nails is very expensive. And if you use Young Nails, you know that bottle is small. So I'm not going to waste it on my tutorials. Okay, so my nails are prepped and acrylic ready. So now I think I'm just getting ready to apply the set, trying to figure out what colors I want to use. But I do thank you for tuning into my channel. Please like and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Bye.